With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is the moment of inertia of solid cylinder about its axis is I. It is allowed to cool down, it is allowed to roll down an inclined plane without slipping. Its angular velocity at the bottom be omega, then the kinetic energy of rolling cylinder will be. So for solid cylinder we know I is equals to mr square by 2. That means mr square is equals to 2I. Assume it to be first equation. Now we have to find the kinetic energy of rolling cylinder, which is equal to kinetic energy of translational plus kinetic energy of rotational. And kinetic energy of translational can be written as half m v square plus kinetic energy of rotational can be written as half I omega square. Now we apply the formula here. V is equals to omega r here this side. So what we get kinetic energy is equals to half m omega square r square plus half I omega square. Now this m r square can be written as 2I. So kinetic energy will be equal to 2I omega square upon 2 plus half I omega square. So cancelling 2 with 2 here, what we get, the kinetic energy will be equal to 3 by 2 of I omega square. That means the correct option of this question will be option second. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.